Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable TikTok notification sounds on the iPhone running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. In Notifications, you want to go down and tap on TikTok. So tap on TikTok, and in here, if it is set to schedule summaries, then you get your notifications in the schedule summaries. Otherwise, sometimes you may want to have an immediate delivery notifications. However, you do not want to have a sound, then you can also go down here and switch off sounds. Otherwise, you can turn on sounds, and whenever you have a new notifications coming from TikTok, your phone will make an alert sound to tell you that you receive new notifications from the TikTok app. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.